Boy, sit down, take a sip now.
Intense and Search, next big in music, next big in dancehall and reggae. And right now, the man right now, our ambassador, father. We say I do it to my father. Music I travel really wide, get me I say?
Not
but
sure.
ambassador though, the journey. Before you go down all this right now, bro, the name R ambassador, take up that name there. But the R stand for why you chose to use that name.
A government I did name first. So when I'm a bridging, I him be my manager now, Derek in New York, big him up same way. Him I say, you know, government is a thing where them not always good and them not always bad. So it a go controversial. I better you name ambassador, you know. I'm my next classmate that are skinny. I say, you see man a Rasta. R ambassador man.
You said R for Rasta?
Yeah bro, and everybody just eat that from that.
I feel hustle each other, there ain't no other way.
You're not saying Rasta ambassador like that.
Yeah,
flying story about the journey though, like, oh you got into music though?
We grew up in a Kingston 11 where enough of the greats them like Shabba Rankin and Josie Whale and Liquor Twitch and Admiral Bailey, and it go on and on till it come right up the line. You see me, even I and I, uncle, producer, big Hathaway, you see it?
Then that bloodline basically.
Yeah, we are grew up and it dead there.
You see it, so it's like,
Yeah,
you know.
we just advance, you know.
Even if it's riding, here we stay driving.
When was the first time you recorded a song and say, oh yeah, alright, must say, they have to stay here, you know? And was the feedback like with the family and the fans?
You know, so the first time I feel that way there was the first time I really record a song to tune. My manager Derek, a first class flight, the man fly me out and to go voice all the song when I try it on Miami, you see it? And when I go to all the airport, like all the people them don't see the energy and know say yo, the youth are starring. A amount of people ask me for autograph and
Really?
And I sang a voice, I go voice the first song.
Sang no voice yet.
Seal, bro, never tell a lie, never sell a Sam 5, brother. That was a special moment, you know.
Sit down, take a sip now. Get some grabber, get some whiz like me.
Inspiration in the music for like, what some people actually inspire you? Like,
Shabba Ranks are the godfather in my place, and we grew up come see everything with Shabba when Shabba turned star, you see me? We come see the whole of them Grammy nominees and all them things. Then Sizzla Kalonji as a Makachi did have a strong influence on I, you know them, they can rise in at that time there, when Sizzla come through with the fire.
the slang Makachi where I used to. What do you mean, guys? Rastafari, they always have some different style and slang and linguist, you know, isn't it?
Makachi, it means can't climb. Remember, you know, a boy have to stay far with a lime stick and pick a lime. He can't climb that, brother. Makachi can't climb, no climb.
Bro, like a Makachi.
Yeah, man.
What
Can't
talk,
climb,
like that,
bro.
You have some big songs out there right now where you have some big collabs.
Yeah.
Note and Fire, Busy Signal. Talking about Busy Signal. Busy Signal is big song and Nanda. Like, it a go hard. Yo, it a push.
Yeah, man.
You drop your numbers, bro. I'll tell you something. Love a song, love positivity.
Yeah, man.
So,
Another level.
oh, it come around.
My manager is a man who love Busy Signal as an artist, you know them way there. And always it would be a big thing for him to get female artists do a collaboration with Busy. So he must say, John, I would love to do that, you know them way there. And right away I tell him, so then the Virgin Kananga and Busy, a family. When I asked them, Busy was all for it.
Ready?
Yeah man, ready. And Busy did the America. When me do my part of the song, I send it to him and send the rhythm. Busy love it. Same time in a full agreement, you know what I mean? And I just history again. See?
Yeah, talk to me success being a song so far. Like, we see the numbers are run, like, you know?
Yeah.
What the feedback so far?
It's a great feelings. You see me, because as you can see the numbers, I'm the highest numbers so far in the music.
I would say that Jamaica though, your music, like so far, like a couple of places you actually perform. Like which place or which country surprised you the most and the reaction behind it?
I have a place named Guyana. This is surprised me the most, brother. Yeah, when me hear people them and sing my song them with me. I mean, I say, wait, I want to go and write that song. We get comfortable like a yard with them.
What would you change in dancehall and reggae right now? If you could add?
It kind of miss some of the authenticity. You see me, because life is a balance, you know. And you find out, say, we have to know where we are going, but we have to still remember where we are come from. The cane man and the can man and the soup man and them people, you know them people that get cut out certain way, you know them look away. Yeah, and that a dancehall still, you know them here.
While most of the youth them sell them soul, man, know why happy story never told.
Right now, we're election on us right now. September the 4th. Any advice you can get to the two parties right now?
We have to just balance. No matter PNP, GLP, we have to just do what we think is best for the country, best for the people, and you still can't fight a one over them opinion. You know what I mean? So, I just peace and love.
So talk to me right now. What's your dream collab?
This is Shower Ranks.
Shower.
Him grow me, you know. And him think deep, you know. So, and me are the younger generation from them coming down the line, you know. So, I think a collab with Shabba would be a great move.
Seal deal.
Seal deal.
Who the other collab with? Young artists in Jamaica right now?
Most of them, cause music are hard work, you know. You see it? And from your body.
Ambassador, talk to me right now. What's next for you?
A whole heap of thing next, man, because here you go now. The dream feel better than the reality, you know. Like, we have a dream and we are moved to it now and it reach, it manifests. You don't feel so excited again, you know. So, you have to always create dreams. So you keep yourself excelling. So we are a whole heap of things, you know, in the pipeline, you know.
And Ambassador, talk to me right now. What's the most intense thing about you?
The most intense thing about I and I, we can live in the water, or we can live on dry land. Crocodile, maca tree, yeah,
right now with the song on another level. Boss, make an earpiece out there and over a year before.
Freeze, brace, bankara, man a bake, a chase. Sit down, take a sit now. Get some gaba, get some whistler, give me a spliff now. We dep on another level, fi get rich now. We go from the ghetto youth and send us switch round. Hey boy, sit down, take a sit now. And get some gaba, get some whistler, give me a spliff now. And we dep on another level, fi get rich now. And we go from the ghetto youth and send us snitch. Alright then, for every nail we driving the hammer. We guiding the bomber, we striving with honor. Oh, even if he's riding, yeah, we stay driving, yeah, we stay providing for mama. Oh, Selassie.
Ambassador. See the intense fans, you know the man say, it's on another level. Alright, Ambassador, the man right now, check him out, the bridge between dancehall and reggae.
One rich,
man,
you know? One intense, you know? Branch Records, big up yourself.